Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver. So let's crack Maharashtra B.Ed CET 2020 exam. So in this video, I'll be talking about the online program guys. So which includes all the video lectures based on the topic, ebooks for the practice purpose, and very important guys, mock tests. So in your B.Ed CET exam, there will be section English, which test more of your grammar, reading skill and vocab based question. Teacher aptitude, more of the common sense. That is why there is no any video for the teacher aptitude. For teacher aptitude, you will be getting the question in your mock test guys. That will be sufficient because this is very easy section which tests your common sense. Next is the mental, which is nothing but a logical reasoning. All these shortcut tricks you should know about this section. And last, which is the toughest section of the paper, GK. So in your full course program, there are the video lectures, ebooks and the mock test is available guys. So there are full courses program guys, and then there is a mock test series, and there is the ebooks for the practice purpose. So due to lockdown, courier is not possible for the books. That is why we have launched ebooks guys, so you can study from the ebooks. So now let me guide you how to join these courses. So guys, you have to open Google and type manoeuvre.com. This is what the website is, and just go to the page 1 home page. Okay, this is how the website will open. Just go to the buy online all MSCT exam and scroll down guys. So there are 4 courses: full course, books and study material, mock series and sectional courses. So if you click on the full courses, so this is what the program for B.Ed CET 2020 guys. Just click on the view details, and in this program you will be getting 165 video lectures, 53 ebooks for the practice purpose, and 8 mock tests guys. So sectional mock test and full length mock test, both you will be getting in this mock test. Ebooks is just for the practice purpose guys, but if you want more question for the practice purpose, then you have to go to the book section and join ebooks from there. So this is what the syllabus you will be getting guys: logical reasoning, all these topics, then English, then abstract reasoning, critical reasoning, current affairs and everything. Okay, so once you join this program guys, so how your portal will look, let me show you that part also. Alright guys, so this is how your portal will look after joining this program. So there are the video lectures, ebooks for the practice purpose and the mock test series. Just click on the logical reasoning video lectures. These are the video lectures, and after then once this finish, then go to the English. All these video lectures you will be getting from the English, abstract, current affairs. So likewise all these video lectures you will be getting guys. So once you're done with, go to the mock test. So this is how the mock test will open guys. So as of now sectional tests are there, and later on other mock tests will keep on adding guys. So this is what this is what about the full course program. If you go back, then there is the ebooks guys, which I was talking about. So you have to join ebooks for the practice purpose if you want to practice more question, because due to lockdown we have more time for the practice guys, so we can utilize those time for the practice purpose. So your full course program ebooks and these ebooks guys, that is altogether different, don't get confused. This is the soft copy of the hard book, which will give the detailed explanation, and all the question solution also will be given in this book. Likewise, if you will go back, if you want to join only mock test, just click on the mock test and you can join the mock test guys, 3 sectional and the 5 full length mock series. And also if you are lacking in particular section, then you can join the sectional courses like GK, English, logical reasoning. All these courses are available. So guys, as exam date extended till July, so now you have more time for the preparation. So guys, do prepare very well so that you can end up with the good score in your B.Ed CET exam. So full course and books, these 2 courses will be sufficient in terms of your preparation guys, because in full course you will be getting the video lectures, you will be getting the mock test also, and these books will help you in terms of the practice guys. So all these online program link I have already given in the description guys, so kindly check the description. And for any assistance you can contact to this number guys, 8828581455, and do hit the subscribe button guys to get more videos about the Maharashtra B.Ed CET guys. All the very best for your preparation. Thank you.